Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Edge crypto wallet. First, download the Edge wallet app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select Create Account. You'll need to choose a unique username and a strong password. Remember to write down your recovery phrase and store it safely. This is crucial for regaining access if you ever lose your device or forget your password. This initial setup takes just a few minutes. Now that your wallet is set up, let's add some funds. To do this, tap on the Receive button within the app. You'll see a list of supported cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you wish to receive, and your unique wallet address will appear. Copy this address carefully. Then, go to your external exchange or another wallet and paste this address to send your desired cryptocurrency. Transactions typically confirm in a few minutes, depending on the network. Sending cryptocurrency from your Edge wallet is straightforward. Tap the Send button, select the asset, and then enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount. Always double-check the address before confirming the transaction. Edge also offers an integrated exchange feature. Simply choose the Exchange tab, select the cryptocurrencies you want to swap, and confirm the conversion. This makes managing your diverse portfolio very convenient, all within one app. Security is paramount with any crypto wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. It's also wise to regularly back up your recovery phrase, perhaps in 2 or 3 secure, offline locations. Edge Wallet also provides advanced features, such as adjusting transaction fees for faster or cheaper transfers and various privacy settings to manage your data. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic new way to read anywhere. We hope this guide helps you confidently use your Edge wallet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.